think done? What are you doing? Idiot. He honked. Let's go. That's the only people that can drive by. People that honk. It's probably because I was looking at him weird, like, what you doing, boy? Idiot. Who's this guy? Right out of there. You know how fast he got out of here? Another one. Look, what the heck is that thing? He gave me a thumbs up. He gave a thumbs up. A lot of nice people out here today. Welcome to the channel, boy. Down, idiot! The guys are right there. They're right there. See him? Look at that truck. See the truck over there?
No. Yes. Oh my gosh.
See the truck? You see the truck?
Yes.
They're in there. They're in there. They're Batmans or something. Oh, we got it. We got him. There's no. We got him. See this? Yeah. We'll line up. Got him. Subscribe or you're an idiot. If you don't go follow it, you're probably an idiot. Welcome back, boy! Give me that brick. Welcome back, boy!
What was the purpose of that?
I don't know, I just wanted to break something. Welcome back. We have a little obstacle here in front of us. A little dirt pile in the truck. Did I just hear a chicken?
You shouldn't have. What was that? Is that a dog? Uh-oh. It's Hillary.
Y'all know what's gonna happen already. Dirt pile, truck, four-wheel drive. You know what's gonna happen.
And you're gonna break something.
Absolutely.
Don't. Oh my gosh, that could have killed me.
Shut up. So we got some major upgrades to the F150. Y'all gonna have to wait and see until we get over this dirt pile. It's a little windy out. Y'all probably can't even hear me. So we're gonna get this boy in four-wheel drive and right over the hill.
What is that?
Almost scratched my rims!
Yes.
And this boy. Hi, boy, get your right at him.
It's leaking. Yes.
Don't try to do that. Why is it leaking?
Because it slid across the road like 100 feet.
Why don't you drive by? Oh, it's got a little bit of road rash on it.
Oh yeah,
It's
really?
cracked. That's not good for the environment. Watch out, there's a stupid car. Extremely windy out here, so we hurry this right up. Come over here. Alright, so we did some major upgrades to the F-150. Alright, we got a 215P pump with, we got .24 delivery valves, .93 delivery valve holders, and 5K governor springs. We got the P pump benched to idiot. quit driving by. Got the P-pump benched to 700cc. It's only at 500cc right now because there are some things that'll still break right now, like the head gaskets. We got some 60-pound valve springs in this boy, so we don't float a valve and it pops the piston. Don't want that to happen because our diesel power source, we've had this on, the diesel power source manifold. We got the diesel power source 6271 turbo and a tractor air filter and 2 more batteries. Oh, and we got some 150 horse injectors. Yes.
How much horsepower?
We're gonna dyno it soon. We're gonna dyno it like next week. Let's tune back next week for dyno. It'll be pushing at least 85 million. Oh, better unlock these hubs. A little heifer sometimes. There we go. Disengaged. Yes. Oh, we need a little magnetic boy.
What are you doing?
This is why you don't drive by my house. You never know what's gonna happen. Turn on the flashlight to blind them. Must be fans or something. If you want to do it to them, we'll do it to these people. Stared her. She was like, ah! White and Dale Ticker Jr.
Oh my gosh.
We should get her now. What did he say?
What did he say?
I ain't gonna know that. Hurricane couldn't pull that down. Perfect. I got oil on the dirt!
Patient stuff.
So I'm just coming in inside the cab here to tell you all what's all done in the F-150 because when I was looking back editing everything and couldn't really hear it because all the wind was just hogging the mic. Stupid wind was hogging the mic. Idiots. But we got a 215P pump and we benched it to almost 700 cc's. So it's a big boy. And what else do we do to it? It's only turned up to 500 cc's because we got some parts that'll still break if we push too much horsepower to it. Like the transmission and maybe a little bit of push rods and definitely the head gasket. So we got some stuff to fix that stuff in the next couple months. We're going to get, I'm not going to tell you, but we're going to get bigger push rods and firing the head, and then we got something special with the trans. We're not even going to put a trans in it. We're going to hook the drive shaft right up to the crankshaft, and this thing's going to be going 50 miles an hour, 500,000 miles an hour at an idle. And then you give it a little bit of gas, and poosh, it's a freaking jet, boy. That's how it works. Don't question anything. But next thing we got done was some 60-pound valve springs, because if you don't get bigger valve springs and you've got 50,000 horsepower, you're going to drop a valve and it's going to bop the piston. Not good. What else do we do? We got 024 delivery valves, bigger delivery valves, 093 billet delivery valve holders. So we got some good fast parts in there. 5K governor springs so we can get 5,000 RPMs going to this freaking slow 12 valve that's not slow anymore. It'll beat any truck out there in neutral. So don't tempt the F-150. What else did we get done? We got our manifold, our diesel power source, everything. Got the diesel power source turbo. What else did we get done? What else did we get done? 150 horse injectors, because I guess the ones I had in it were stock injectors. The guy that sold the truck to me said it was 100 over injectors, but no, they were stock injectors. We need big injectors, boy. We're gonna get like 5x85s or something. What else did we get done? I think that's about it. Yeah, that's about it on everything. And then we're gonna go put it on the dyno on Monday, and hopefully we don't blow a head gasket or the trans, because if we do that, that's not good. And as you can see, it snowed a little bit out. Snowed quite a bit. We're hauling some snow back there. And you know what that means. It's yeehaw time. It's yeehaw time. Pretty much every day's yeehaw time, but this is more yeehaw time because there's more snow on the ground. Or there's more things to make things more yeehaw. So we're definitely gonna have to make a video on yeehawing in the snow. So y'all be prepared for that. And the dyno video, we're gonna have a new dyno video out. And what else are we gonna do? Who's that thing running? Is that a goat or something? Yeah, so hopefully y'all enjoyed this video, because if you didn't, you're probably an idiot. And if you're not following the Instagram, you're probably an idiot as well, because Mr. Russian Man hacked it. Yeah, freaking Russian Man hacked the account, and now I got a new one. So it's Freed_Diesel. Go follow it, or you're an idiot. And if you're not subscribed, why aren't you subscribed, idiot? Can't miss out on the e-haul content, idiots. So, we'll see you all, actually tomorrow. Tomorrow's Monday. Yeah, tomorrow's Monday. So the dyno video will be up next week. Or this week, actually. In a couple days, actually. So, we'll see you in the dynos.